Hello everyone, welcome to Songs Farm Resort. So ayan, swimming time. So ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Songs Farm Resort. So ayan, naka-off ang aking my mobile because there is a sound, there is a party in the admin. So ayan. So dahil nga nandito kami sa Songs Farm Resort. So ayan, birthday ng aking cousin. So ayan, bago tayo mag-swimming, bago kumain, itutur ko muna kayo dito sa palibot. So ayan guys, this is the surroundings of Songs Farm Resort. So ayan na. So ayan guys, andito lahat kami, one whole family. So ayan, dito turo kayo sa mga kasama namin. And also, I will tour you around here in the Songs Farm Resort. So ayan guys, iniikot-ikot ko yung aking camera. So ayan. Ikot-ikot po more, ikot-ikot po more. So ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa near in the pool. Kung saan tayo magsiswimming later. So ayan, nagtutur muna ako sa palibot. Walking muna tayo. So ayan guys, habang nag-aantay tayo ng mga ibang kasama namin, ayan, nag-ikot-ikot muna ako bago kami kumain, bago mag-swimming. So ayan, walking time. So ayan, bumalik na ako sa aming cottage. So ito yung aming food for today. So charing! Ayan yung aming baong pagkain. Ayun, lechon bili, pansit, spaghetti, lumpia, at meron din kaming rice, then kambing. So ayan. So ayan guys, mag-start na tayo mag-swimming. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa harapan ng pool. So ayan guys, mag-swimming na tayo. That is tapos na kami kumain kasi, kaya ganun. So, ayan. Ayan yung ang likod ng aming swimming pool at sa likod. So, let's start swimming. So, ayan. Wala pa sila. Ayaw pa nila mag-swimming. So, ako muna. Solo ko muna yung swimming pool ngayon. Sinusolo-solo ko na. Kasi maya-maya guys, ang daming mga bata. So, ayan. Sinamantala ko habang walang mga bata. So, ayan. Thank you so much for watching. And ayan guys, please help us support my channel. But so to those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. So ayan guys, i-enjoy ko na yung aking swimming. So ayan, thank you so much and bye-bye.